Hello my dears, today we will learn about addition to 99. Let's start our lesson. Let's remember how do you add one digit number. We have here group of apples. Let's count them. 1, 2. So we have here 2 apples. Plus we have here also another group of apples. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we have here 3 apples. Okay, if we want to add 2 plus 3 equals what? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have here 5 apples. Let's see that example. Okay, we have here group of fruits. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have here 11 fruits. Plus here we have another group. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. Okay. We want to add 11 plus 3 equals what? Let's count here the addition of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 11 plus 3 equals 14 frogs. Let's learn here how do you add two-digit numbers. First, we add the ones together. Let's add. We have here 31 plus 42. Okay, so we have in ones place. Look here, we have 1 plus 2. We can represent it by the shape. Look here, we have here 1 star plus here 2 stars. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then we add the tens together. Let's add. We have here in tens place 3 plus 4. We can represent it by that shape. Look here. We have in tens 3. So we have here 3 stars plus 4 stars. So 3 plus 4 equals what? We put big number in my mind, small number on my finger. So count after 4. I put 4 in my mind and 3 on my fingers. Let's count after 4. 5, 6, 7. So the sum will be 72. Let's answer that example together. We have here 13 plus 35. So first thing I do, I put the places first. Ones, tens. So after that, I start addition from ones place. So here, in ones place, we have 3 plus 5 equals what? Equals 8. Then I add the tens together. Here in tens place we have 1 plus 3 equals what? Equals 4. So the sum here will be 48. Okay, house of place value. Do you remember? When we have here ones and tens, we say before we represent ones by small square and tens by one stick. Let's answer that example together. We have here 53 plus 32. First thing I do, I put the places first. Ones, tens, ones, tens. So I start addition from ones place first. So here in ones place we have what? We have 3 plus 2. I can represent 3 in ones place by 3 small squares. Look, and I can represent 2 in ones place also by 2 small squares. Then I add the tens. in tens. We have here 5 plus 3. So I can represent 5 in tens by 5 sticks and can represent 3 in tens by 3 sticks. So let's count in ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 small squares. In tens we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 sticks. So the sum will be 85. Let's add. We have here 44 plus 5. So I put the places first once, okay, then I start addition from ones. So we have here 4 small squares plus, look here, plus 5 small squares. Then I add the tens. Look here, in tens we have 4, so I add 4 sticks. Here we don't have here any tens, so we have only 4 sticks. So the sum will be, let's add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and tens. So sum will be 49. Let's remember together. We have here 54 plus 14. How do you add? We said before we put the places first. Ones, tens, ones, tens. Okay. So after that I start the addition from ones place. Look here. In ones place we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then I add the tens. In tens place we have here 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the sum here will be equals 68. Okay, let's see that. We have here 63 plus 21. So put the places first. Ones, tens, ones, tens. We add the ones first. Look here, in ones place we have 3 plus 1 equals what? Equals 4. Then we add the tens. In tens place we have 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the sum here will be 84. Find the sum. We have here 23 plus 14. Okay, we said before we start addition from ones place. Look here, in ones place we have here 3 plus 4. Okay, so 3 plus 4 equals 7. We can represent 4 in ones place by small squares. So we have here 4 small squares. And 3 we can represent it in ones place by small squares. So we have here 3 small squares. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, then I add the tens. Look here, in tens place we have here 2 plus 1. So we say we can represent tens by stick. So we have here 2 sticks plus 1 stick equals 3. So the sum will be 37. Let's remember, when we add, we put the biggest number in our mind, the smallest number on our fingers. Again, we put the biggest number in our mind, the smallest number on our fingers. Let's answer that example together. Find the sum. We have here 29 plus 5. I ask myself, which number here is the biggest number? 29. Which number is the smallest? 5. So I put 29 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and I count after 29. After 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So the answer or the sum will be 34. Another one. We have here 18 plus 6. Again, I ask myself, which number is the biggest? 18. Which number is the smallest? 6. So, I put 18 in my mind, 6 on my fingers, and I count after 18. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, the sum will be equals 24. Story problem. How do you solve a story problem in addition? We have here steps. Number 1, look at the sign if the sign is plus or minus. Number 2, circle the numbers. Number 3, underline the keywords. What are keywords? Increase and sum, add, total, plus, more, together. Let's complete that example. One day, Ahmed went with his sister to the shop to buy a ball and a car. The price of the ball is 14 pounds and the car is 23 pounds. What is the total of them? He asked about the total. So first we put the circle to the numbers. Then underline the keyword. What is the keyword here? Total. Then he asked about the price of the ball and the car together. So we make addition. 14 plus 23. We put the places first. Ones, tens, ones, tens. I start addition from ones place. Okay, we have here in ones place 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then we add tens place together. We have here 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the total will be 37 pounds. Let's answer our math booklet, page 49. We have here 12 plus 43. First, I put the places ones, tens. I start addition from ones place first. We have here in ones place 2 plus 3 equals 5. So after that, I add tens with tens. 1 plus 4 equal 5. So the sum will be here 55. Next, we have here 19 plus 10. I will add ones with ones, tens with tens. In ones place here we have 9 plus 0 equals 9 because 0 is nothing. Tens with tens. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum will be here 29. Next we have here 48 plus 31. Ones with ones, tens with tens. In ones place we have here 8 plus 1 equals 9. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the sum will be here 79. Here we have 60 plus 33. Ones with ones, tens with tens. In ones place here we have 0 plus 3 equals 3. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the sum will be here 93. Next we have here 82 plus 12. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then tens with tens, 8 plus 1 equals 9. So the sum will be here equals what? 84. Next we have here 34 plus 44. Ones with ones. In ones place we have 4 plus 4 equals 8. Tens with tens. 3 plus 4 equal 7. So the sum will be here 78. Page 50, you can do it as a homework as we did before. Ones with ones, tens with tens. Okay, let's answer page 52. Find the result. We have here 1 plus 28. We put our places ones, tens. Here we have 1 plus 28. I ask myself, which is the biggest number? 1 or 28? 28. So I put 28 in my mind, 1 on my fingers, and I will count after 28. After 28, 29. So the sum will be 29. Next, we have here 4 plus 33. Which is the biggest number? 33. I put 33 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and I will count after 33. After 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So the sum will be 37. Next, we have here 2 plus 21. Which is the biggest number? 21. I put 21 in my mind, 2 on my fingers, and I will count after 21. After 21, 22, 23. So the sum will be 23. Next, we have here 1 plus 58. So, after 58, 59. Next, we have here 6 plus 12. I put 12 in my mind, 6 on my fingers, and I will count after 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Next, we have here 4 plus 40. I put 40 in my mind, 4 on my fingers, and I will count after 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So the sum will be 44. Next, we have here 3 plus 72. I put 72 in my mind, 3 on my fingers, and I will count after 72. 73, 74, 75. So the sum will be 75. You can do it by yourself as we did before. It's very easy. Try to answer it as a homework. Page 55, you can do it by yourself. It's very easy as a homework. We add ones with ones, tens with tens. Page 56, we have here find the sum 8 plus 12. So here I ask myself, which is the biggest number, 8 or 12? 12. So put 12 in your mind, 8 on your fingers, and count after 12. Let's count after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the answer will be 20. I will choose 20. Next, we have here 5 plus 13. Let's count after 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the sum here will be 18. Next, 11 plus 5. I put 11 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and I count after 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the sum will be 16. 4 plus 4 equals 8. It's so easy. Next, we have here 18 plus 1 equals, after 18, 19. Next, 12 plus 2. After 12, 13, 14. We have here 5 plus 14. I put 14 in my mind, 5 on my fingers, and I will count after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the sum will be here 19. 9 plus 10. I put 10 in my mind, 9 on my fingers, and I will count after 10. So the sum will be here equals 19. Let's answer page 57, and in letter A we have 45 plus 22. As we did before, we add ones with ones, tens with tens. In ones place we have here 5 plus 2 equals 7, 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the answer will be 67. In letter B we have here 60. 3 plus 14. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the answer will be here 77. In letter C, we have here 56 plus 13. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the answer will be here 69. In letter D, 12 plus 13. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the sum will be 25. You can do the other one as HW. It's so easy. Okay, page 58. Word problem. We have here keywords of addition: sum, more, plus, in all, total, together. Let's see first one here. We in letter A. Fatma has 32 dogs and 56 cats. How many pets does she have in total? First thing we do, circle numbers. Second, underline the keywords. So first we circle numbers. 32, 56. So which here the keywords that mean we will make addition? Look, total. So underline total. Let's make addition. We will make 32 plus 56. As we do, ones with ones, tens with tens. So 2 plus 6 equal 8. Then 3 plus 5 equals 8. So the sum will be here 88. In letter B, there are 12 girls and 74 boys at the playground. How many children are at the playground? Circle numbers first. Underline the keywords. He asked here about total of children. So we will make addition of 12 plus 74. As we did before, ones with ones, tens with tens. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. 1 plus 7 equals 8. So the sum will be here 86. Next, in letter C, Dad cooked 25 large pizzas. Then he cooked 14 small pizzas. What is the sum of pizzas? First, circle numbers. Underline the keyword. Look, we have here keyword sum. Then I will make add 25 plus 14. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the sum will be 39. In letter D, a monkey eats 42 bananas for breakfast. The monkey eats 25 more bananas for lunch. How many bananas does the monkey eat in all? Circle numbers. Underline the keyword. Which one here? In all. So then I make add 42 plus 25. Ones with ones, tens with tens. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So the sum will be 67. Page 60, you can do it as activity in your home. And then you can color. Okay, my dear, thank you. Study well to answer your homework. Bye.